In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Temu subscription. If you want to reduce unwanted alerts and promotional messages from Temu, this guide will help you take control of your account settings in a simple and organized way. Instead of being interrupted by constant updates, you will be able to customize what you receive and create a cleaner digital experience. We will go through your account settings step by step using a web browser so you can easily follow along. To begin, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox and go to the official Temu website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, look toward the top corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that contains your account options and settings. From the Profile menu, go into your account settings area where all your personal and communication preferences are managed. Look carefully through the options until you locate the Notifications section. This area controls the alerts sent to your device or email. Click on Notifications to access the settings where you can adjust what updates you receive from Temu. Inside the Notifications section, you will find different categories such as order updates, delivery alerts, and promotional messages. Each category controls a specific type of notification. To reduce unwanted messages, focus on the Promotions category since this is where marketing emails and discounts are managed. Open the Promotions section by selecting Edit. You will see a list of notification options with toggle switches beside each one. Go through them and switch off toggles for any promotional updates you do not want. This will stop marketing emails and reduce unnecessary inbox notifications. Make sure all unwanted options are disabled so your preferences are fully updated. Once you are satisfied with your changes, your notification settings will be updated. This helps create a cleaner and less distracting Temu experience. You can always return to these settings later if you want to adjust or re-enable any notifications. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more tutorials.